I don't think I've ever had hot pot before. I can't remember having it.
I had something called kimchi hot pot. So it was in a pot and it was hot.
Is it noodles and protein in a broth? With beans? Oh, there's like a whole setup here. All right. Ooh. Oh, okay. So noodles go in last.
Yep.
And then we basically just experiment.
Okay.
So we could do like some tofu, and we've got some vegetables here, which I'm pretty keen for.
These proteiny teens
Protein balls.
in here.
Okay. Okay, so I think that's like pork. I'm gonna do one in there.
But this is cabbage.
Is it bok choy or is it?
I love cabbage.
There's another thing. It's like something choy. Kind of
Give it
looks
a go.
like a bunny ear.
Plop them in. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Yes, I am ready for this.
Yeah,
so
I needed to
good.
prep myself.
Okay. Mentally prepare.
Mentally prepare.
Kind of looks like they're all in a jacuzzi.
I'm gonna. Okay, a little mushroom. And the eggy thing.
The depths of the flavors is really, really good.
What's like?
Look at this. Oh, is that like cheese? This is so tasty.
Noodles.
Oh yes, got two
Yeah,
little
very nice.
bits here.
I feel like this is a very perfect like sharing with a group of friends.
I think this would be a really good date idea. Because it would be like such a fun activity, but it's like still eating, which is...
You don't have to talk too much.
Yeah, basically.
I was wrong about so many things. Maybe I just didn't actually have hot pot last time. How much hot pot could hot pot?
Oh, okay. I feel like I'm on an episode of Deadliest Catch. Okay. Oh my god. They're such pretty noodles too. It's like a little ribbon. I wasn't expecting it to be such a rich broth. Every bite is just so flavoursome.
I obviously have a lot of noodle training to do. The biggest surprise from like doing the hot pot, I think, was how it's like a beautifully complex dish in terms of the flavors and everything, but it was actually quite simple to set up and do with, like you could see yourself doing it at home quite easily. I think that was the biggest surprise because it's something that I thought like, oh, you can only really do it at restaurants, but like having it here and like doing it as like a DIY thing was really cool.
I don't know how you get flavors like that. Like that was next level. That's like a family recipe that's gone through many generations.
10 out of 10 would hot pot again, for sure.
This is really fun.